Last week you had to enter data onto Excel after logging in to Microsoft. The data you were asked to enter were plant names and their numbers. So you had to enter all these data onto your Excel after you've logged into Microsoft. Today's lesson is learning how to use that data to create charts. And the way you do it after you've typed in all your data is you select, first of all, the number of plants and the plant names, insert, and then you go to chart, and we're going to learn about a bar chart first, column chart. So you can see there's different types, but we're going to use the first 2D column chart. You can see this chart gives you a quick answer as to which plant, which variety of plant they were more of and which variety they were least of. The next thing we need to do is label this chart, give it a meaning. So chart title, we'll call it number of plants in the school botanical garden. That's it, that's our title. The next thing is we need to give bottom axis a title, a meaning, and this, what do these numbers mean? And the way you do it is you go to here, make sure you're in chart design, add chart elements, data label, axis title, primary, horizontal. Now I want you to look down here when I choose primary. You see it comes up as axis title, you click it and then you go inside and you change that from that meaning to plant name, because these are different plant names, plant A, B, C, D. The next thing is we need to do this side here. What does this mean? Again, add chart element, which is in chart design, axis title, primary, vertical. Vertical means top down. Then you click there. We're going to remove whatever is in there first by just pressing delete, and then number of plants. Now what you can see is here, these are the plant names, these are the number of plants. Now the last thing we need to know is to make sure that people understand what that number is, because it doesn't say is it 22, is it 26, whatever it is. And how you do that is you right click on it and then you say add data labels and add data labels. Watch what happens to these blue bars when I click that. You see that? Now I can see the number of different plants, and this is how you create a simple chart. Your first exercise today is, can you create this one, and then as an extension, can you create a second chart to show the number of height of plants. For home students, instead of having plants, remember your data you collected, it's about your family members. So it could be one is uncles, aunties, grandparents, and friends, whatever it is, and then you create your charts. Okay, it could be number of aunties, uncles, friends, or cousins for the top bit, and the bottom bit is, it could be height, okay, height of cousins or tallest cousin, whatever it is, and then just put it there. The aim is to have data, which is, this is data that you can use to make a chart.